Ever wondered how to take one long video and turn it into a library of platform-ready clips without losing your mind to hours of manual editing? Today, I'm walking you through a simple, effective workflow to repurpose your landscape footage for TikTok, Reels, and Shorts using Vizard to make the heavy lifting disappear. First, open your source project, but don't get bogged down by complex settings. Just switch your canvas to a 9:16 vertical ratio. This 9:16 aspect ratio is the golden ticket for mobile feeds, giving your content that native full-screen look on TikTok and Instagram. Once your canvas is set, drop your horizontal clip onto it and simply reposition the footage so your subject sits comfortably in that center third of the frame. You don't need to zoom in aggressively, just scale the footage until the face or the action looks balanced and natural within the vertical window. Sometimes a simple reframe isn't enough, which is why utilizing cropping tools is essential when part of your scene extends beyond the new boundaries. Many editors force you to guess the pixels, but using smarter tools allows you to isolate a face or product automatically without eyeballing every single frame. Now, to extract those golden nuggets from a long-form recording like a webinar or interview, simply scrub the timeline to find the biggest moments. Look for the laughter, the aha moments, or the one punchy line that really lands, and use your in and out handles to isolate that specific segment. Instead of copy-pasting endlessly, save these selections as new projects or sequences to edit them in a clean, isolated environment. This approach is absolutely clutch for turning long, dense webinars into short, snackable clips that actually stop the scroll. If you are planning your content from scratch, always set your project to 9:16 from day one to keep your creative intent consistent. Keep your clips tight, aiming for 15 to 60 seconds because shorter, punchy content usually leads to much higher retention rates. Don't forget to add subtitles, as many viewers are watching on mute, and a text hook in the first 2 seconds can make a massive difference. Add some quick graphic pops and animated calls to action like a simple arrow to guide viewers toward your channel or website. When your clip is ready, use export tools that let you push content directly to TikTok or Instagram without needing to download and re-upload files. This is a lifesaver for batching content, as it keeps your thumbnail, title, and metadata management all within one unified flow. Let's be honest, there are countless apps that promise the world, but many leave you hanging by lacking automatic clip discovery or clunky scheduling. Others might charge you by the minute or lock the best features behind expensive paywalls, which is maddening when you're trying to scale your output. This is exactly where Vizard really shines, because it isn't just a simple cutter. It actually uses AI to find the moments that truly matter. The auto-editing viral clips feature scans your long videos and identifies the high engagement segments that are most likely to go viral. It turns hours of tedious hunting into just a few minutes of review, saving you massive amounts of time and mental energy. Auto-scheduling is another game changer, allowing you to pick your frequency and queue up clips to go out without you ever having to babysit the process. Pair that with a central content calendar and you have a smooth, singular hub to rearrange or pause content whenever you need to. This avoids the exhausting workflow of jumping between tabs, exporting files, and manually uploading to different schedulers. Now, for some pro tips. Always manually double-check your subtitles so they are readable, perfectly timed, and formatted to match your brand. Throw in a 2-second teaser at the very start, like a bold question or a shocking statement, to hook viewers before they have a chance to scroll past. Use thumbnails that feature expressive human faces and clear emotions, as these almost always convert better than generic abstract graphics. Keep your branding subtle in the beginning. A tiny logo is fine, but don't let it look like a loud promo that scares people away. If you're in a batching groove, extract multiple clips from the same source and tailor the hooks and cropping for different target platforms. You can absolutely reuse the same moment with different editing styles, because an audience on TikTok behaves differently than one on Instagram. Never overlook the power of reposting with small, strategic changes like swapping a headline or refreshing the first-second hook to keep content feeling new. One common trap is over-editing, so keep those motion graphics punchy, but don't let them crowd the emotional heart of your clip. Also, pay close attention to your audio levels because normalizing sound ensures your viewers don't get blasted or struggle to hear the dialogue. Publish with intent by dripping your content strategically, leading with the strongest clip and following up with supporting material that points back home. This way, you aren't spamming your followers, but instead hitting them at peak engagement times across each unique platform. Turning a long landscape video into shorts and reels is entirely doable if you follow a set rhythm. Pick, reframe, crop, add hooks, and schedule. Tools like Vizard really do speed up the heavy lifting, especially when it comes to finding those hidden gems within a massive recording. If you want to build a content engine that produces steady output, automate the tedious parts but keep your hands on the creative wheel. The combination of smart AI, a solid content calendar, and automated scheduling gives you that perfect balance of speed and control. Try this workflow on your next project and you'll be shocked at how much more consistent, less stressful, and impactful your creation process becomes. So, stop overthinking it. Pick a clip you love today and start applying this 916 workflow to get more views from the work you've already done. Once you get the timing, the hook, and the cadence tuned for each platform, you'll see exactly how far one single video can really go.